Hi girls, teacher is back. I want to discuss today the basic positions of your feet. How many basic positions are there? Do you remember? So there are five. There are five basic feet positions. But when you're younger, we only learn three. Okay? So we're going to go through all of the positions, but remember that in class we only do three positions if you're much younger than 10, and we do all five positions when you're older than 10. Okay girls, let's get started. Okay girls, let's stand up to start. So to start with the five basic positions, let's start with parallel. Parallel is not really considered a position, but we use it for baby students. So if you add this, the positions become 6 ballet positions on your feet. Make sure your knees are always straight, yes? Yeah, hands on your hips for now. First position, we open one foot and the other foot to the side and stretch your knees, okay? So it's like a letter V, first position. Yes, say it again. First position. Now to get to second position, we tendu and we put our heels down. Now this is second position. Second position, like number 2. Second position. We tendu the right foot, close in front, and this is called third position. Now third position is in half of your foot. So if you look closely, third position is touching half of your other foot. So third position. Yes? Now we tendu to the front and put down our heels. This is our fourth position. Fourth position from the side looks like this. So our heels, are parallel to each other. And finally, we tendu and we close back. And this is fifth position. Fifth position, from the front, our toes and our heels are touching entirely together. Okay, let's go through these exercises or these positions again. This is first position, tendu, heels down. This is second position, tendu, close half foot, third position, tendu, heels down, fourth position, and lastly, tendu, toes and heels together, and fifth position. Let's do it again, this time with our left foot, feet in first. So first position, tendu to second position, tendu, close front, third position, tendu, bring it to fourth position, lastly, tendu and close to fifth position. Very good. Now go through them again by yourselves. Rewind if you need to repeat the positions of your feet. If not, you can move forward. Hi girls, I hope you learned something new today with our 5 basic ballet positions of the feet. Okay, so different positions of the feet and also different positions of your arms. I hope you remember these. We'll go through them every day for you. Okay, for now, bye girls.